Hello, this is Cam, United Credit, doing an update video on our trade lines. I'd like to do at least two to three videos a month showing our postings. This particular client got 3 trade lines, and they're all AUs. I believe this is a CPN. A Capital One, a City, and a Wells Fargo. These are all AUs. The key thing I want to point out here is these are old AUs. This is 2013, about 9 years old. Then we got 2009, it's about 13 years old. Then we got a smaller one, 2020. So you see, as I always say, age always trumps credit limit. These are not high limit, but they have a lot of years. And the resulting score is 767. So again, this video is showing that lines are posting. So posting, if you need trade lines, call us at 202-213-2218. We have old trade lines as well. This package here with the CPN costs $13.95. So discounted package, 3 lines and primary CPN for $13.95. We also add trade lines to personal Social Security profiles. So you want to add one to beef up your personal Social Security profile, call us. We do that as well. We have up to 31-year-old trade lines, $50,000 limits. We have over 400 trade lines posting every day. Go to tradelines.biz for more information or call us at 202-213-2218. We also do a free consultation. You can review your profile, go over all your accounts so you know what and how a profile, a trade line can help you, or if maybe it cannot help you. For example, if you have a lot of accounts, 20 accounts, and they're older accounts, a trade line probably won't help you because, again, one of the key factors in boosting your score is the average age. If you have a lot of accounts that are older, you won't really increase your average age. In that case, a trade line will not help you. So call us for more information, free consultation. Subscribe to our channel for the weekly updates on our trade lines, with credit repair, with CPN numbers. Just call us 202-213-2218. Thank you.